Hey there folks, Paul Capello from Pitbull Airguns here. Matt Hodges and I would like to introduce you to the all-new Pitbull Airguns Bulldog Toolbox. That's right, check it out. Inside the rugged nylon and carbon fiber reinforced box are all the bits, drivers, and specialty tools you will ever need to completely disassemble any generation and any caliber of the Benjamin Bulldog. The first thing you'll see when opening the box is that every tool has its own custom-fitted storage pocket to keep them neat and organized. Even the box itself is a handy tool with a magnet strip inside the lid to hold all those small parts as you work on your Bulldog. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR codes that link you to info about this toolbox, an exploded parts diagram of the Bulldog, and even our own teardown and reassembly video on YouTube. Alright, it's time to show you what's inside. Well, there you have it, folks. Now, instead of digging through that junk drawer or searching through those scattered tools on your workbench, consider our Bulldog Toolbox to easily maintain, service, or modify your Bulldog. The link to purchase the toolbox at our online web store is down below in the description. Please consider liking and subscribing for notifications about upcoming announcements and channel content. Hey, before you leave, go check out Matt Hodges' channel, Talbot Lake Inheritance, where he's been uploading content every week to document the construction of a riverside cabin at his ranch in Fort McKavett, Texas. He's got a ragtag group of semi-professional amateurs with big dreams, big machines, and redneck ingenuity building a getaway cabin from 8 feet off the ground and up. You can find the link in the description. Take care and God bless, folks.